Три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски.
Oh shit! Don't sleep! You sleep for 5 seconds, you're done. You sleep for 10 seconds, you're done. You sleep for 3 seconds, you're done.
Bro, you
sleep for 4 seconds, you're done.
Bro.
You sleep.
Nah, get him hat. Get up. My hat. My fucking hat.
Damn, actually.
That's what I'm saying. You don't know that one. Kevin. You don't know that one.
It tastes like shit. Oh.
Oh! Oh my God. How did you do that? I broke my knee. How did you?
These are your guns.
Yeah, these are my guns. Exactly. Wait, can you hold this one for 1 second? You hold everything. Here.
Nice.
Okay. Lead the way.
Shit, so
Yeah. Wait.
your friends left you? Jane.
Wait, no. Okay, so like I kind of separated my friends because I thought I was gonna meet up with my friend here, but he's still like where he is now, and he's yeah. So I was just like, yeah, it's fine. Like I'm.
Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Do you hear that? Shots fired. Do we end stream? Someone's shooting outside. Do we gotta end stream? What the fuck is that? Wait, make camera back. Sorry, I swear to God, there's gunshots outside. Someone just shot.
You know, Kim Jong-un sent his sperm cells.
Look, blue Pepe.
Oh, what the hell is this? Whoa! It's fucking Smurf Smurf piss. It is Smurf piss.
Is it Pepsi?
Yeah. Oh, I want to drink it.
You hop on the train right
Is this
now.
new?
Yeah.
Is this?
It's only like crispy.
Oh.
Brooklyn, Harlem, Bronx, it don't matter. When I look at them, I say, God, split spatter. Taiwan. When I look at you, I say, Clink Quan. Yeah, nigga, I'm the Don. I got the blue shit on because I'm the one. Yeah, I didn't say one on purpose. I said one because that's my purpose. I look at you in the tank, no purpose, no muscles, big belly, titties. Yeah, nigga, I'm 50, not cent. Million, take you, and I'm getting a trillion. Big blue bags, trillion. Yeah, Funyuns all day. Breath stink never. It's me, one way. Hello? Yeah, Benny Honda in the back. Tell you what I want. Cadillac. Yeah, Chef wine. Tell me what I want. It's ding dong. Dings on. Fuck wine. Come back and I take ding dong. Yeah, I switch the language up. Bye wine dang sick of gum buck. Yeah.
Bro, you are sat there going like, oh chat for like every 5 seconds, man.
Yeah, and what, bro?
You've got 10 people, you entertain them there. You've got like 30 people around you that you annoy.
That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I've got 30 people in it, so keep yapping. The views are going up. The views are going up, bro. The views are going up, bro. The views are going up. The views are going up. You wanna keep going?
If you put me on stream, I'm gonna dash your phone. If you put me on stream,
Oh, is it, bro? Touch me, I dare you. I'm not gonna touch you. Touch me, I dare you, bro. I dare you. Touch me, I dare you. And if you touch me, go on. I'm not scared of you, dickhead, bro. This guy's trying to talk shit, chat. This guy's trying to talk shit. All I'm trying to do is stream for you guys. This guy's talking shit, chat. I'm about to crash out, yo, chat. I'm about to crash out, yo. Yo, I'm about to go crazy, chat. I'm about to go crazy, bro. Okay? This guy's taking a piss, bro. Like, yo. Yo, chat, I'm this close, bro. I'm this close. I'm this close. Chill before you get banned. Bro, I'm trying, bro.
Tell them how you feel about America.
America is the greatest country there is.
Yeah,
Don't mess with us.
Coming back, bro. FaZe is coming back, chat. FaZe is coming back. Oh shit, we got 82 people in here. Hello. I'm not showing the screen though. I'm just showing my face. That's crazy. Okay. Yo, chat. This guy. Yo, the haters snitched on me, chat. The haters snitched on me, bro. That's how sad this guy is, chat. That's how sad this guy is, chat. They're telling me to end stream now. It's cool though, chat.
We have it's a bowl with an annoying spoon, bro. I hate spoons like this. You can tell that this is a bad big spoon. I'm telling you, Chad, one of the most annoying things in life is a bad big spoon that doesn't have a lot of volume.
Quick look at this.
Yo, don't zoom in.
I'm not zooming though. Fuck. Why would I zoom into your ass, bro?
Fucking aura, bro.
You farted on my fucking face! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! You're the Dick Pattern Huntsman! Dick Pattern Huntsman! That's the code Pattern Huntsman! We need to stop with AI, bro, like actually. Yeah, not.
It's flushing, bro. It's flushing. It's good. Hey. It's flushing. It's good, dog.
What the fuck did you just do?
It's good,
Dude,
bro.
there's fire coming out my fucking.
What the fuck
It's
did you
good.
do?
It's good, bro.
What the fuck did you do?
Good.
Are you fucking dumb?
It's good, bro.
What did you
Nigga,
do,
I just
bro?
flushed the toilet. Hey, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Get up. Get up. It's good. It's good, bro. Hey, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good, bro. What the fuck? It's good. It's good, man. Hey. Chill, y'all. I just flushed it, bro. I told you my stomach fucked up, nigga. Damn. I told y'all my stomach fucked up, bro. Fuck, dog. It's good, bro.
Oh, you got water in your face. I'm sorry, bro. I was punishing Chan. Okay. No, it broke. Oh yeah, I have one phone left. Maybe I shouldn't like destroy it.